This time we're supposed to find the derivative of function x with respect to y. The process is exactly the same like we had before, so we're supposed to simply find dx over dy, okay? Derivative of function x with respect to y. So we have derivative of 2y cubed. So we have to write first the constant, okay? We have c. So my constant is 2. So I have 2 times the exponent, which is 3, y, and n minus 1, it means 3 minus 1, which is equal 2. Okay, and you can always write dy over dy, because you have to find the derivative of y. So, but dy over dy is equal 1, we're going to later on ignore it. Minus derivative of 9y is nothing else, just simply 9. According to the formula, we have to write the constant first. So 9 is constant. Next, the exponent. The exponent is invisible 1. Okay, so I'm going to write invisible 1 over here. Y and exponent minus 1. So I have 1 minus 1 and derivative of dy with respect to y, because my problem is asking me to find the derivative with respect to y. So I have to write dy. Okay, I'm going to do these steps few more times, just make sure that everybody is going to master it. So I have 2 times 3 is 6 y squared, dy over dy is equal 1, I'm not going to write it, minus 9 times 1 is 9. 1 minus 1 is going to give me 0. This is y raised to power 0. Y raised to power 0 is equal to 1 if y is different than 0. And dy over dy is equal also 1. So 9 times 1 times 1 times 1 is equal 9. Okay, so this is the solution to my problem.